Hey guys, so today I'll be going through this question, uh, rotating image. So we want to rotate the image to the right side, 1, 2, 3. So it becomes something like 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, and 9, 6, 3. We want to figure out a way to rotate the image to become something like this. And so the way to do this is to from 1 to 3 we want to swap 4 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 8. So after swapping 4 and 2 becomes something like this. Swap 3 and 7, it becomes something like this. And swap, so I would just, yep. And after swapping 6 and 8, it becomes something like this. Yep. So after we have this matrix, how do we turn this matrix into this? We just want to shift from the column 1 to column. So let me just copy it here. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so let's say this is column 1, 2, 3. We just want to like shift the column 3 to become the first column, and the middle column stays the same, and the first column becomes 1. So it becomes like this. So yeah, and we want to code this out. We want to get the row matrix 0, matrix size, column equals matrix. Okay, so now we have the row and column size, and we want to make something similar to this. We use a for loop. Okay, so if I is not equals to j, the reason here is that if I equals to j, it's going to be somewhere in the middle, and we want it to be untouched. So if I not equals to j, then we want to perform the swap operation, matrix I, j, matrix ji. I'm gonna command this out, and I just want to check if I'm doing the right step. Okay, so as we can see here, we're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next step is just to shift from the column 1, 2, 3 to become column 3, 2, 1. So 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3. How can we do this? We use another for loop. For int I equals. And we want to stop somewhere in the middle, so I'm thinking of the row divided by 2. Because if you're going through all the row, let's say you have swapped 1 and 7, and you're going back to the 7 to swap 7 and 1, it's gonna go back to the same matrix, and you don't want that to happen, so you're gonna like divide the for loop by 2. Yep. So once this is divided by 2, we want to start swapping. So the row is going from here, here, here. Oh wait, it's not a row divided by 2, it's column. My bad. Because you want to go through all the rows. 7. Wait. Swap. Yeah. And I'll perform the swap matrix I, J, I think that's it. Okay, so -1. Yeah, okay. So this is after swapping, and should be right. Submit. Yep. And so the company is by, we can see that it's by Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, and also Akuna. It's not showing here for some reason. Yeah, Akuna. And okay, thanks for watching. See ya.